Well, here are the stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Let's begin with big boy Reliance Industries. 2 p.m. and it's the 43rd annual general meeting, and we've been so accustomed year after year to surprises being pulled out of the hat from Mukesh Ambani, and that's exactly what we're expecting this time around as well. So, clarity on the deal with Saudi Aramco, what's going to happen with their plans for Reliance Jio ahead of what we've heard with respect to Google putting in additional funds into the company, the stake buy with Future Group, lots more is expected, and RIL will be in focus on the back of that. Bharti Airtel has announced the launch of a video conferencing solution. This is in partnership with Verizon, and it's going to be with BlueJeans, called Airtel BlueJeans. It's going to rival popular Zoom and as well as Mukesh Ambani's JioMeet. So we'll be watching out for this stock too in today's trading session. All eyes on Wipro as it delivered its numbers, and you had the profit which came in a meager 0.1% higher this time around. You had the management saying that the COVID pandemic is definitely going to hit technology spending. It's going to impact the company's sales as well as financial performance. You had CLSA, which maintains an underperform rating with the target price of 215, saying that the cash management as well as the management commentary has been impressive. It's the turn of Infosys then to deliver its quarterly numbers, and the street is expecting a dollar revenue lower by nearly 5% sequentially at $3,038 million. We will be watching out for a constant currency degrowth perhaps of 3.8%. Profits are seen lower by 11.6% at 3,820 crores. A sharp decline in retail as well as moderate in banking and stable in communication. Outlook on IT, on their IT spending, margin levers, the deal pipeline, the full year guidance, all of that will be watched out for very keenly by the street. Meantime, we're also watching out for Oberoi Realty as the company delivered its numbers just yesterday. A decline of nearly 82% in the consolidated net profit. You had the profits coming in at a meager 28 crore rupees for the quarter gone by. EBITDA at 58 crores versus 235 crores. Although the revenue from operations as well is coming low at 118 crores versus 603 crores. And we'll be watching out for this stock in trade too.